Never take advice from people you don't want to be like. Because think about it. When you ask an advice from your friend who never run a business, he will give you wrong advice. He will tell you, never start a business, you fail, you anything, and if you share with your cousins, anybody who never done that. Because of that, don't take advice from them because they don't see what's going on in your mind. Instead, seek advice and support from people who has done a business or who has any success in that field where you want to go. Those people will give you correct directions. They will support you mentally and they will share with their energy or experiences before, That's the way you will be seeking correct advices. And don't take advice from people who live different lifestyle, different mindset. Why would you do that? Don't waste your energy and time to people who will reflect to you on their insecurity. Instead, level up your game, be kind to yourself, be present, learn more to trust your inner child.